Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful and creative stone art decoration album. This project is perfect for adding a unique touch to your home decor or for giving as a thoughtful gift to a loved one. So, let's get started. Materials needed: album or photo book, assorted stones in various shapes and sizes, hot glue gun, acrylic paint, paintbrushes, clear sealant spray. Step 1. Prepare your stones. Start by selecting a variety of stones in different shapes and sizes. You can find these at craft stores or even collect them from nature. Make sure to clean them thoroughly before starting the project. Step 2. Paint the stones. Using acrylic paint, paint each stone in your desired colors and patterns. Get creative with your designs and have fun experimenting with different techniques. Step 3. Glue the stones onto the album. Once the paint has dried, use a hot glue gun to attach the stones onto the cover of the album. Arrange them in a visually appealing way, creating a unique and eye-catching design. Step 4. Seal the stones. To ensure that your stones stay in place and maintain their vibrant colors, spray the entire album with a clear sealant spray. This will also give the stones a glossy finish and protect them from damage. Step 5. Personalize and enjoy. Add any additional decorations or embellishments to personalize your stone art decoration album. Display it proudly in your home or give it as a special gift to someone you care about. Step 6. Optional embellishments. If you want to add some extra flair to your stone art decoration album, consider incorporating other embellishments such as beads, sequins, or small charms. These can be glued onto the stones or around the edges of the album to enhance the overall look. Step 7. Display and enjoy. Once your stone art decoration album is complete, find a special place to display it in your home. Whether it's on a coffee table, bookshelf, or mantle, your unique creation is sure to be a conversation starter and a beautiful addition to your decor. Step 8. Experiment with different designs. Feel free to experiment with different stone shapes, colors, and arrangements to create a variety of stone art decoration albums. You can also try different themes or patterns to suit your personal style and preferences. Step 9. Share your creations. If you're proud of your stone art decoration album, consider sharing it on social media or with friends and family. Your handmade creation is a wonderful way to showcase your creativity and talent. Step 10. Keep exploring. Continue exploring different art and craft projects using stones and other natural materials. There are endless possibilities for creating unique and personalized decorations that reflect your individual style and creativity. Creative art stones can be used in a variety of ways to add beauty and interest to your home decor. Here are some common uses for creative art stones. 1. Decorative accents. Creative art stones can be used as decorative accents in vases, bowls, or trays to add texture and visual interest to your space. 2. Table centerpieces. Arrange creative art stones in a glass bowl or vase to create a unique and eye-catching table centerpiece. 3. Garden decor. Use creative art stones to create pathways, borders, or mosaic designs in your garden or outdoor space. 4. Paperweights. Large, smooth stones can be used as paperweights on your desk or workspace. 5. Candle holders. Place candles on top of creative art stones to create a stylish and rustic candle holder. 6. Photo displays. Use creative art stones as photo holders to display your favorite pictures or postcards. 7. Meditation and relaxation. Holding or arranging creative art stones can be a calming and meditative practice, helping to reduce stress and promote relaxation. 8. Kids crafts. Creative art stones can be used in various arts and crafts projects with kids, such as painting, gluing, and stacking. Overall, creative art stones are versatile and can be used in endless ways to enhance your home decor and bring a touch of nature indoors. Let your imagination run wild and explore different ways to incorporate creative art stones into your living space. 9. Aquarium decor. Creative art stones can be used as decorative elements in aquariums to create a natural and visually appealing underwater environment for fish and other aquatic creatures. 10. Terrariums. Incorporate creative art stones into terrariums to add texture and interest to your miniature plant displays. 11. Jewelry making. Small, polished creative art stones can be used in jewelry making to create unique and one-of-a-kind pieces, such as pendants, earrings, or bracelets. 12. Table setting decor. Use creative art stones as part of your table setting decor for special occasions or dinner parties. Place them around place settings or in napkin rings for an elegant touch. 13. Zen gardens. Create a mini Zen garden with creative art stones, sand, and small plants to promote relaxation and mindfulness in your home or office. 14. Bookends. Large, heavy creative art stones can be used as decorative bookends to add a natural and artistic touch to your bookshelf or desk. 15. Outdoor art installations. Use creative art stones to create outdoor art installations or sculptures in your garden or backyard for a unique and artistic focal point. 16. Pet decor. Incorporate creative art stones into your pet's living space, such as in their water or food bowls, to add a decorative touch to their environment. 17. DIY projects. Get creative and use creative art stones in various DIY projects, such as mosaic artwork, stepping stones, or painted rock designs. Overall, the possibilities are endless when it comes to using creative art stones in your home decor and crafting projects. Experiment with different ideas and have fun incorporating these natural elements into your living space. 18. Plant pot toppers. Add creative art stones on top of the soil in your plant pots to create a decorative and natural finish. This can also help with moisture retention and weed prevention. 19. Candle holders. Use creative art stones to fill glass candle holders or jars for a unique and visually appealing candle display. The stones can help hold the candles in place and add a touch of elegance to your decor. 20. Fairy gardens. Create enchanting fairy gardens using creative art stones as pathways, borders, or decorative elements. These miniature gardens can add a whimsical touch to your indoor or outdoor space. 21. Paperweights. Large, polished creative art stones can be used as decorative paperweights on your desk or workspace. They not only serve a practical purpose but also add a touch of nature to your office decor. 22. Memory stones. Paint or write special messages on creative art stones and scatter them around your home or garden as memory stones. These can serve as reminders of special moments or loved ones. 23. Wall art. Arrange creative art stones in a pattern or design on a canvas or wooden board to create unique and textured wall art for your home. This DIY project can add a personal touch to your space. 24. Photo displays. Use creative art stones to hold photos or notes on a memo board or display. Attach small magnets to the back of the stones for a functional and decorative photo display. 25. Garden markers. Paint or write plant names on creative art stones and use them as garden markers in your vegetable garden or herb garden. This can help you keep track of your plants and add a decorative touch to your garden beds. 26. Story stones. Paint images or symbols on creative art stones to create story stones for storytelling activities with children. These can be used to inspire creativity and imagination during playtime. These are just a few more ideas to spark your creativity when it comes to using creative art stones in various ways around your home. Feel free to adapt these suggestions to suit your personal style and preferences. 27. Table centerpieces. Fill a clear glass vase or bowl with creative art stones and place it in the center of your dining table as a unique and eye-catching centerpiece. You can add candles, flowers, or other decorative elements to enhance the display. 28. Zen garden. Create a miniature Zen garden using creative art stones, sand, and small decorative elements like mini rakes or figurines. This peaceful and meditative arrangement can be placed on a tabletop or desk for relaxation and stress relief. 29. Stepping stones. Use larger creative art stones as stepping stones in your garden or backyard to create a decorative pathway. These stones can add visual interest and texture to your outdoor space while also serving a functional purpose. 30. Terrarium decor. Add creative art stones to the bottom of your terrarium before layering soil and plants to create a visually appealing base. The stones can help with drainage and add a natural element to your terrarium design. 31. Kids crafts. Encourage children to get creative by painting or decorating creative art stones with colorful designs, patterns, or messages. These personalized stones can be used as gifts, decorations, or even as game pieces for fun activities. 32. Pet rock creations. Turn creative art stones into cute pet rock creations by adding googly eyes, paint, or other embellishments. These whimsical rocks can be used as paperweights, garden decor, or simply as playful decorations around your home. 33. Wedding decor. Incorporate creative art stones into your wedding decor by using them as table scatter, vase fillers, or place card holders. These natural elements can add a touch of elegance and charm to your special day. 34. Outdoor art installations. Create outdoor art installations using creative art stones to build sculptures, mosaics, or other artistic displays in your garden or backyard. Let your imagination run wild and use the stones to express your creativity in a unique way. 35. Personalized gifts. Paint or decorate creative art stones with meaningful quotes, names, or designs to create personalized gifts for friends and family. These custom creations can serve as thoughtful tokens of appreciation or love. These additional ideas showcase the versatility and creative potential of using art stones in various ways throughout your home and outdoor spaces. Have fun experimenting with different techniques and designs to make these stones truly your own. 36. Memory stones. Create memory stones by painting or writing special memories, dates, or messages on creative art stones. These personalized stones can serve as meaningful keepsakes to cherish and remember important moments in your life. 37. Rock garden markers. Use creative art stones as garden markers by painting or labeling them with the names of different plants or herbs in your garden. These decorative markers can help you identify and organize your plants while adding a touch of creativity to your garden. 38. Story stones. Paint or draw different characters, objects, or scenes on creative art stones to create story stones for storytelling activities with children. These storytelling tools can inspire imaginative play and encourage creativity in young minds. 39. Pet memorial stones. Honor the memory of a beloved pet by creating a personalized pet memorial stone using creative art stones. Add the pet's name, dates, and a special message to create a lasting tribute to your furry friend. 40. Beach-inspired decor. Bring a touch of the beach into your home by using creative art stones and coastal-inspired decor. Fill glass jars or vases with white sand and art stones to create beach-themed displays that evoke a sense of relaxation and tranquility. 41. Fairy garden accessories. Enhance your fairy garden or miniature garden by incorporating creative art stones as accessories like benches, tables, or stepping stones for the magical inhabitants. These whimsical additions can add charm and character to your miniature garden. 42. Rock painting parties. Host a rock painting party with friends or family where everyone can decorate creative art stones with their own unique designs. This fun and creative activity can be a great way to bond with loved ones and create lasting memories together. 43. Nature-inspired art. Use creative art stones as a canvas for nature-inspired art projects by painting landscapes, animals, or botanical designs on the smooth surface of the stones. These natural artworks can be displayed indoors or outdoors to bring a touch of nature into your space. 44. Sensory bins. Create sensory bins for children by filling a container with creative art stones along with other sensory materials like sand, rice, or water beads. These tactile experiences can help children explore different textures and stimulate their senses in a playful way. 45. Inspirational paperweights. Paint inspirational quotes or uplifting messages on creative art stones to create decorative paperweights for your desk or workspace. These motivational stones can serve as reminders of positivity and encouragement throughout your day. These additional ideas offer even more ways to incorporate creative art stones into your daily life, from personalized gifts and memory keepsakes to nature-inspired art projects and sensory play activities. Let your creativity flow and enjoy exploring the endless possibilities of working with art stones. 46. Rock garden art. Create intricate designs or patterns on creative art stones to use as decorative elements in your garden or outdoor space. These hand-painted rocks can add a pop of color and visual interest to your garden beds, pathways, or patio areas. 47. Rock balancing art. Explore the art of rock balancing by stacking creative art stones in unique and visually appealing arrangements. This meditative and challenging practice can help improve focus, patience, and balance while creating stunning natural sculptures. 48. Rock tic-tac-toe game. Paint X's and O's on creative art stones to create a portable tic-tac-toe game that can be played indoors or outdoors. This simple and fun game is a great way to pass the time with friends and family while showcasing your artistic skills. 49. Rock mandala art. Design intricate mandala patterns on creative art stones using colorful paints or markers. These mesmerizing mandala rocks can be displayed as standalone art pieces or arranged in a circular pattern to create a calming and harmonious visual display. 50. Rock photo holders. Turn creative art stones into unique photo holders by attaching a wire or clip to the back of the stone. Display your favorite photos, postcards, or notes on these charming photo holders to add a personal touch to your desk, shelves, or mantle. 51. Rock garden sculptures. Combine multiple creative art stones of varying shapes and sizes to create sculptural artworks for your garden or outdoor space. Experiment with different arrangements and compositions to design eye-catching rock sculptures that blend seamlessly with nature. 52. Rock jewelry. Transform creative art stones into stylish jewelry pieces by drilling small holes in the stones and stringing them onto necklaces, bracelets, or earrings. These one-of-a-kind rock jewelry items can add a natural and artistic flair to your outfit. 53. Rock pet portraits. Paint realistic or whimsical portraits of your pets on creative art stones to create adorable pet portraits that capture their unique personalities. These miniature pet artworks can be displayed on a shelf or desk as a tribute to your furry companions. 54. Rock puzzle art. Create a set of puzzle pieces by painting different designs or patterns on creative art stones that fit together to form a complete image or message. This interactive and engaging puzzle art project can be enjoyed by individuals of all ages. 55. Rock garden markers. Use creative art stones as garden markers by painting or labeling them with the names of different plants or herbs in your garden. These decorative markers can help you identify and organize your plants while adding a touch of creativity to your garden. These additional ideas offer more ways to explore the versatility and creativity of working with art stones, from creating intricate garden sculptures and rock balancing art to designing personalized photo holders and pet portraits. Let your imagination run wild and have fun experimenting with different techniques and projects using creative art stones. And there you have it. A beautiful and creative stone art decoration album that is sure to impress. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to try making your own. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY projects and creative ideas. Thanks for watching.